So let's take a look at IBM. Shares are pretty much flat here in extended trading, but the company just releasing their quarterly numbers and digging into it. A solid report when it comes to EPS. That was a big beat, $2.18 on an adjusted basis. The street was looking for at $2.01. Revenue essentially in line with expectations, right around $15.5 billion. They maintained their full year sales forecast for the year. But we were on the phone with IBM's CFO, Jim Kavanaugh, earlier today, talking to him about what the current landscape looks like and what he's hearing from clients in terms of the back half of the year and looking ahead to 2024.
Jim Kavanaugh, really one of the most respected CFOs in the CFO game, I should say. And, you know, Seana, when he tells us, I'm really not seeing that much of a slowdown. Actually, I believe he said he's seeing an acceleration into the back half of the year. Didn't really share some of the economic concerns we have heard from other top leaders. But we also put to him a real interesting question on artificial intelligence. You know, you go to our platform, you see that P multiple for IBM about 15 times. You look at Salesforce over 30, Microsoft about 33 times forward earnings, and IBM's doing artificial intelligence. You know, we asked Jim, what more do you have to do to get this story out? He said, really just consistent execution, but they might have to do more than that.
Yeah, consistent execution, that at least is what Jim is saying is their strategy from this point. They're focusing on, and Jim made this point in terms of what they're doing with AI and how that is different from what we're seeing from some of the other players out there. They're focusing on corporations, on the business aspect of it. They just rolled out that new platform earlier this year. Watson X, I believe, is the name of that. So it's just getting started, saying that they're still in the early stages of that and the early starts of monetization. He expecting to see that within the consulting practice, but certainly not adding much to results just yet. In extended hours, we're looking at a flat stock as of right now.